Hello, welcome to Borders Printed Models assembly video for single engine fighters. This same process applies to any model really that comes with just two parts, no matter what size, what scale it is. As well as the model, you're going to want some glue to put it together, so Humbrol polycement's very good. Small file would be useful. And perhaps a pair of pliers depending on the model that you've got. This is a 1/200 scale model. If you've got the larger 144th scale model, then it most likely will have a brim around the outside which you can remove with the pliers. If it's this size or smaller, then it's got the little circles attached in various places. So first thing to do is to take the circles off. These should very easily pull away. You want to be careful if it's attached to a small part. There's this one at the back, but they should come off very easily. So I can remove all those. Now this particular model has a little bit of support here, which also needs to be removed. Not all models are going to have this. Okay, there we go. So the additional bits removed. Now before we glue it together, underneath there'll be a recess. May not be very deep, but there should be a position for putting the stand to mount it on, or sticking a magnet. It's important this is flat, and it's easiest to do that just by running a file along it now before gluing it together, just to make sure that there's nothing in there and you've got a nice flat base. And same on the other side. You can do this after it's glued together, but it's more difficult. And that's it. We're ready to glue it together. Just give the glue a few seconds to go tacky before we stick it together. Should probably leave it a bit longer than that, but so wipe away any excess. Everything seems to have lined up. So that's it. It's as simple as that. All the simple aeroplanes follow this basic process.